I think the holidays really start with family. I want to make it more about the connections between people. Ancestry has been a perfect kind of way for me to do that this year. I am Melissa Joan Hart, and thanks to Ancestry, I am learning more about my family history, and today I'm gonna kind of explore it in a more visual sense. I'm an actor, so I love stories. I love telling a good story. I like hearing a good story. And so I wasn't really told a lot of stories about my family. Finding those deeper connections it kind of fills in little gaps for you. My parents, grandparents, great-grandparents, second grandparents, third grandparents, fourth grandparents. The family tree that explains it all. Moses Brushhart is my third great-grandfather. He was a shipbuilder on the North Shore of Long Island, and apparently he built these huge sailboats. My dad being an oyster farmer, my uncle being a shipbuilder, I didn't realize it went back generations. We always heard about Hart's Tavern, that my grandfather had this Hart's Tavern. I knew what my grandfather looked like in one photo, but I'd never seen him in front of Hart's Tavern. So it's really helped me connect with all of these great photos from the past that I didn't even know existed. I was really fascinated by the fact that I didn't realize our family had been here for so many generations, in New York specifically. Doing the Ancestry DNA gave me more insight into where I'm from. You get to see the journeys your family came from. I mean, you might just come from one region, but you might come from many like me. So the DNA told me that I was from Slovenia, which I'd already heard from family stories, but that verified it and kind of gave me the exact region. When I did the DNA, and then you see the ancestry records, it like fills in the gaps. It sort of like fills in the little holes of information that you might need or want. You know, where they were going, how old they were when they came over. To be able to know more about our past, to learn more about our history, it makes you feel like you know yourself a little bit better. And I think it's a great holiday gift because people can take a lot away from this. You can find things to connect with, and then you can connect with your family and your kids and other generations.